Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi, Ganesh. Can you hear me now? Hear me now?
It's loud. I can't hear you. Teacher, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
Can you hear properly now?
Yes, teacher.
I think there is some technical issues today in the network. So maybe have you done your homework, bacha?
What homework, teacher?
Yesterday you marked in the textbook. You forgot. And you have like to do head so that where that you can hear me more clearly. You have a headset.
What, teacher?
You have a headset.
No, teacher. I don't have an headset.
Otherwise, you could have can hear me more clearly if you wear a headset. Your mom must be having a hand free. You can ask her.
Okay. Mama. Mama. What, Mama? Huh? What, Mama? Teacher, I'll just ask my mama.
Okay. You can hear me now, but
Yeah, I can hear you. But sometimes it comes tuck, 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 tuck.
acha, so some technical issue may be there in the network. So today can we start with decimal, new chapter?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
What homework you gave?
In the textbook you have marked. See your textbook.
Yes, teacher.
I told
I
you, na?
saw.
Forgot?
No, teacher, it's not even mark. It's not that,
I,
teacher.
I told you to mark the homework yesterday, bacha. Remaining
But,
some so that we can.
teacher, I had
Okay, no
marked
problem.
it.
Sorry?
I had marked it, teacher. I marked it, but then I could not mark at all.
Sorry, you could not solve?
I I marked it, but I can't seem to find it anywhere where I am.
Okay. See in your fraction ka chapter. Must be there only. See in your fraction chapter. Okay, no problem. Now we'll start with decimal. Okay, new chapter. Take your decimal chapter.
Okay, teacher.
Open it.
I opened it.
Can you read what's written there?
Huh?
Can you read it?
Okay, first one.
Hmm.
No. First one. 8 upon 100.
Yes. Okay, see now we'll. Can you see the whiteboard?
No, teacher.
Okay, sorry. Now, now can you see?
No, teacher. Still I can't see.
Can you rejoin, bacha? Can you rejoin? I think there's some. You cannot see my whiteboard still?
Teacher?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Can you see the
But
whiteboard?
no, teacher.
Not yet?
I
You
can't see
cannot
the
see?
whiteboard. No, teacher.
Now, again I have shared it.
Still, just I can see S and E circle and full black. And down again S E and your name is written, teacher. That's all.
Okay, wait. I will tell Sakshi ma'am again. Okay, wait. I will stop presenting and again I will share. Okay, one more time.
Okay, teacher.
Can you see now?
Still the same thing, teacher. You can install it again, your whiteboard thing, Microsoft Whiteboard. Teacher, I don't have a headset.
You don't have a headset? Okay. But now you can hear me, na?
Yes, teacher, but still sound is
But you
coming.
cannot see. Okay. But you cannot see the whiteboard.
Yeah, I can't see whiteboard and sometimes I can't hear you properly. Some sound comes. Tuck, 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 tuck.
Acha. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I will rejoin. Okay. I will start. I will again rejoin. You be there only. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Now can you see the whiteboard?
No, teacher. Still. No.
Now.
Still, teacher, no. Same. As he and as he down also down. Again and I get double time it's showing.
Just a second. Wait for a moment, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Do you have any doubts in fraction? Do you remember what we did in fractions? All the topics?
Yeah,
What are
we did
proper
fraction,
fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction?
improper fraction, mixed fraction, improper to mixed fraction, mixed fraction to improper. We did all of that in
Yeah.
my revision journal.
But you have any doubts?
No, teacher.
Kamya? No, na? Okay. Kamya ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Can you see my board?
Yes, I can.
But why he cannot see my board?
I will ask Sakshi to check just a minute.
Sakshi ma'am also have called. She is here only, I think. Sakshi ma'am, can you hear me?
No, ma'am. Sakshi ma'am has not joined. I will
Acha, okay, okay. He'll have. Please.
just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
But you can see my whiteboard, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So, Galicious, there's some network issue from your side. Just a second. Wait for a moment, okay?
Okay, teacher. Teacher, I can see your whiteboard, but it's getting hang. I can't see a mouse. Can I disconnect it and try again?
Wait, Sakshi ma'am is joining. Wait for a second.
Teacher,
Yes, Galicious.
can I cut the call? I'll rejoin.
Twice, na? Okay, join again.
Bye.
Sakshi ma'am. Sakshi ma'am, can you hear me? Sakshi ma'am, can you hear me? Sakshi ma'am, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
And what about my whiteboard?
I can see you.
गैलेशियस को ना मैं कभी सुनाई दे रही हूँ, कभी नहीं दे रही हूँ, उसको व्हाइट बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है मेरा, तो मैंने बोला सोचा आपको बता।
Wait. I'll call him. Just give me a minute.
हाँ, उसने 2 बार मैंने उसको रीजॉइन भी कराया, बट नहीं, कोई ये नहीं हो रहा है।
I'll call him.
या Can you see, Galatians, can you see the whiteboard now? Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the whiteboard, बच्चा? Can you see? Can you see the whiteboard? Galatians, you are on mute, बच्चा. You are on mute.
Teacher, teacher,
Yes, Graces, can you hear me now?
I,
Can you hear me?
yes, teacher. Sakshi ma'am told to cut and rejoin.
So now can you see the whiteboard too? I'm sharing again. Can you see the whiteboard?
No, teacher, still.
No?
Yeah, I don't know, teacher, how it's not happening. My range is full bar.
Because the other two teachers can hear me properly, even they can see my whiteboard. Only you cannot see my whiteboard. So the problem is from your end. Your Wi-Fi, you're on mobile data or Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi.
I don't know why. Because they can see my whiteboard.
Still I can't see no more. Wi-Fi is on. So it's
Can you
not
see?
my fault. No, teacher. I can't
I'm
see.
try- Now,
Still I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. I can't hear also clearly. Because they have headset. They have to computer there is a laptop.
can you see now?
Still no, teacher.
Oh my
I
god.
put on the internet and still put it on again. But still it's not happening again. I can't see and I can just see that circle thing and written as E.
Glasses is your
Now?
mom.
Huh? Is
Is
my
your
mom? No, teacher, my mom isn't here. I'll just call her. Mama,
yeah? Call her.
Mama, Mama.
शिल्पा मैम आपका कैमरा बंद है.
हाँ अभी किया मैंने क्योंकि वो ये था ना अभी मैंने किया उसको. आपको मुझे स्नैप को सुनाई दे रही हो ना? एंड मेरा व्हाइट बोर्ड
दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है.
मैम आपका कैमरा अभी भी बंद है. हाँ?
बंद है किया मैंने चालू.
अभी Glasses, is
Aya?
Mama there? Can you see the whiteboard, Glasses?
No, teacher.
You can't see what the teacher, you can see your face on the screen?
Yes, only my face and
हाँ,
a circle thing and SE.
मैम लिखेगी तो आपको दिखेगा. मैम लिखो कुछ. Can you see what is written on the screen?
Nothing is written, teacher.
You can't see that decibel 1 by 10.
No, teacher, I can't see anything.
Where is your mom, bacha?
My mom, I'll just call.
Call her fast.
Calling. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Ma'am, this is Shilpa ma'am here. Can you see the whiteboard?
Oh, I can't see.
Ma'am, because we all can see it. So can you just see if, like, he is using the correct screen, because we can see him and I can see what the teacher is writing on the whiteboard, but you all cannot see it there.
Okay. I can't do anything else. Can't see anything.
शिल्पा मैम आप स्क्रीन वापस शेयर करो, स्टॉप करके वापस
मैम
स्क्रीन शेयर
तीन चार बार किया मैम.
एक बार अभी
Okay,
करो.
कर.
अश्विनी.
Yeah. Okay.
Glasses, can you see it now? Can you see the screen, beta? Hello. Bacha, can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the whiteboard?
No, teacher.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
do
even I could see the
it. He will write and then you go on explaining. That is the best way, right? Please turn on your camera. Ma'am will go on explaining you. Yes, good.
Okay, Glacius, I will start. Okay, write 1 upon 10 in your notebook.
Okay, teacher.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
So write 1 upon 10. How you write fraction? 1 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. Ma'am, can you off the Wi-Fi full setup and then you can start once? Have you done that? We can try that once. Delicious, are you there?
Teacher. 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 Just wait. Teacher.
Can you hear me, Galashna? Can you hear me, Bachcha?
Yes, teacher, I can hear you.
Wow, chalo. And I'll try for once whether you can see my textbook. Can you see the screen?
No,
Not yet?
no, teacher, I can't see your screen.
Okay, forget. So we will study on screen. Okay. Okay.
I can't hear you properly. It gets hang. First only it gets hang when I join.
Now you can hear me. Can you hear?
Still, teacher, it gets hang.
So sir, there's some network issue. We can't help. Okay. So what I will do, I will explain you on my camera. Okay.
Okay,
Can you
teacher.
hear me? Yeah. So you write 1 upon 10.
You wrote, teacher. Teacher, I finished. Teacher, I can see the whiteboard, but still is getting hang.
Acha, can you see now?
No, teacher, your mouse is not moving and
No, I have
my
just written the numbers. I am not writing it. Can you see?
no, in front of the numbers, I can see my own face.
Okay. But you okay? And can you see my notebook? Okay, I will remove the background.
Yeah, teacher, I can see the numbers on the sideways, but I can't recognize what you wrote.
This 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10. Can you see?
Yes, teacher, but not whole 10. Half already.
Acha, but you can see at least 1 upon 10, correct?
Yeah.
So if I am writing something, can you see? Can you see I am writing?
No, it's just stuck.
Acha. Okay.
And whiteboard arrows.
Okay. Can you see me on the camera? Can you see me?
No,
You cannot see me also?
no. Only that S, E.
You can see a notebook? Can you see a notebook?
No, what notebook?
I'm showing on my camera. Can you see?
Yeah, but it's hanged.
So there's some network issue, bacha. Can you see what I have written in this book? What's written? Can you see?
No, teacher, I can't see.
You cannot see. Mom, can you? Your mom is sitting near you, na? Can you see now what I have written?
Teacher,
Yeah. Tell me.
I
Tell me.
can't, on my tab, I can't see you and hear you properly. But on the laptop, I can see you clearly and your whiteboard.
Acha. So sit on whiteboard then. Then sit on laptop only today. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So can you see the white?
I'll disconnect from the tab.
So can you see the whiteboard now clearly? Can you see now? Can we start? You're on mute, bacha. Can you hear me, Delicious?
Yes, teacher.
And can you see my whiteboard now?
Yes, teacher.
Can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what I have written? 1/10, right? Can you see 1/10?
Yeah, teacher, I can see 1/10. Then I can see 2/10. Then I can see 3/10. Then I can see 5/10. Then 21/10.
Okay. So now that means now you can see the whiteboard and you can hear me now. Correct?
But I can see whiteboard, teacher, but I can't hear you.
You cannot hear me.
Yeah, I don't have a headset now for the laptop.
Acha. Can you hear me without my headset? Can you hear now?
Please coming gz sound. Tuck.
Can you hear now? Yes, can you hear me now?
No, teacher.
You cannot hear me?
Yes, teacher, I can't hear you.
Increase the volume of your device. Is it full? See, check it out.
It's 100 power.
Okay. So that means you can hear me little, very low sound. But you can hear me at least. Okay?
Yes,
So to
little I
so
can
to
hear softly.
okay. So today we will continue in this only because there is no other choice. Okay? So now what is this? 1 upon 10. Okay? 1 upon 10 means what? You have to divide. I am writing here. 1 and here 10. Okay? So the first number is small. You have to write a 0. Okay? So now to make this number big, I have to add a 0. But before adding this 0, I have to put a decimal. Okay? Now 10 times 1 is 10. So what is your answer? 0.1.
Okay, teacher.
Understood? Okay? But this 0.1, instead of solving this, there is a shortcut. Okay? So what is the shortcut? How many digits are here? How many digits?
3.
One digit. No, one digit. It is one means it is one digit. What about
Yes.
10? There are two digits. Correct? This is one digit and 10 is two digit. Okay? So what you do? You make this one also as two digit. You make this one as two digit. So how can you make? You write 0, 1. What you will write? Make this one as 0, 1. Now this is two digit. Correct? 1 you write as 0, 1. Okay? So it became a two digit number. Now in 10, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. Okay? So 1 0 means you have to assume okay, point is here. Okay? And 0 means 1 0 here. So you shift the point one time. Okay? So now your answer is 0 and this point will shift here. It will come here. So what is your answer? 0.01. 0.1. Okay? Now same with 2. 2 upon 10. 2 is a single digit. This is a double digit. So write 0, 2 and put a point here. Okay? 3. 0, 3 and put a point here. Okay? Understood, Delicious? Now 5 upon 10. So 0, 5.
You have to write this in my book.
Yes. First I will write, then you will write. Okay? First I will explain and then I will give you time to write. Now tell me this. What about 21 upon 10? Can you tell me?
It is two digit.
So this is two digit and this 10 is also two digit. So you will not write 0. You will not write 0 because it is already two digit. So what you will write? Direct write to 1 and put a point in between. Okay? Again 34 is two digit and this is also two digit. So write 34 and put a point in the middle. Understood? 17. So 1, 7 and put a point. 68. 6, 8 and put a point. 45. 4, 5 and put a point. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So when it is 1 digit, you make it 2 digit by adding a 0 in the front. If it is 1, you have to add 0 here. Okay. If you're adding 1 and you're adding 0 here, then it will be wrong because this is 10 and this is 1.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So you need to make 1 and not 10. Okay. So now you write it down. I'm erasing and you will write it again. You understood?
Yes, teacher.
So it is 1 upon 10 will become 0.1. 2 upon 10 will become 0.2. 3 upon 10 will become 0.3. 4 upon 10, 0.4. Okay?
Okay.
Now
teacher.
write it down, fatafat, write it down fast. When you divide, you get the same answer. But instead of dividing, there is a new method that you learned today. Okay? So we will not waste our time in dividing. So this is new method.
0.1, 0, 2, 0.3, 0.4. Finish, teacher, writing new method.
Okay. All you have written everything?
Oh,
All till 45?
no, teacher.
Write till 45 this number till here you write. Finished?
No, teacher. I'm on 17 upon 10. I'm writing.
Acha, okay. Over?
Yes, teacher.
Now can you tell me the answers for this? Chalo. If it is, I'm writing again for you. Now you will tell me the answer for this. Okay? Can you tell the answer?
Teacher, I must write in the book.
First you tell me the answer, then I will give you time to write. Tell the answer for the first. Can you tell me the answer for the first one?
Okay, teachers. 0.7, 0.8, 0.9.
Very good. What is the next answer?
1.8.
Very good. Then
2.7.
Very good. Then
3.6.
okay, and then 8.1 and 9.6. Okay. So now you write it down. Now you write it down.
Okay, teacher.
And once you finish, let me know.
Teacher,
Yeah.
on my laptop someone joined and was written SS.
No problem.
Seven upon 10. 8, 10. 9 upon 10 equals to 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Equals to upon 10, 2.7. Two 36 6 upon 10. 81 upon 10. 96 upon 10 equals to 8.1. 6. Finish, teacher.
Okay. So now we did for 10, correct? Now we'll do for 100. Suppose the number is 2 upon 100.
Teacher,
Yes.
I
Yes.
do 100 thing on my textbook.
No, first you listen and then you'll do. That you'll do in homework.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so now it is 2 upon 100. Now how many digit is here? 1 digit. And how many digit here?
3.
3. So how you will make this as 3 because this is only 1. So you have to add 2 zeros. So write 0, 0 and 2. You will not look here and there. Pay attention here, bacha. What do you will write? 0, 0, 2.
2.
So now this is 1, 2 and 3 digit. Now it became 3 digit.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, because 100 is 3 digit. So you will make this also 3 digit. Now how many zeros are there in 100? How many
3.
zeros are there?
2.
Zeros. 2. So the point will be here. And now 2 zeros means the point will shift here. 1 and 2. Okay. So the now this point is shifting from here to here. Okay, so this is not there now. It shifted. So now what is your answer? 0.02.
02.
Okay. If it is 3 upon 100, what you will write? 0, 0, 3 and shift the point 2 times because there are 2 zeros. 1 time, 2 times. So where is your point now? Here. Okay. 4 upon 100. 0, 0, 4 and shift 2 times. 1, 2. So where is your point? Here. So what is this answer? 0.03. And what is this answer? 0.0.
1, 4.
Okay. So depending on zeros, how many zeros? That much you will shift the point. Okay. Now can you tell me for 5 upon 100? Tell me for.
Put 005 first
Yes.
and then
Yes.
put a dot behind.
Between the two zeros, because two zeros means the point is shifting from 1 and 2. Okay. If it is 5 upon 10, then you will make 0, 5 and the point is here only one time. So point is here.
In the middle
So,
of 5 and 0.
So when it is 100, the answer is 0.05. And when it is 10, the answer is 0.5. So you understood the difference?
Yes, teacher.
So when it is 100, the answer is this. When it is 10, the answer is 0.5. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Chalo. So now tell me for, again I am writing, you tell me 2 upon 100. So the answer will be 0.02.
2.
3 upon 100. So write 003 and the point will be here. Okay. 4 upon 100. So write 004 and you should put a point here. Okay. So how you will remember? Here there are two zeros.
Teacher,
Yes.
what if
Yes.
this 46 upon 100?
So 46 upon 100. Now how you write 46? 46 is 2 digit and this is 3 digit. So make this 3 digit. You have to add only 1 0. So it will become 3 digit. Now where the point will come? 1, 2. The point is here. So what is your answer? Answer is 0.46. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So can you tell me the answer for this? 58 upon 100.
Oh, 0.
Hmm.
Point
Hmm.
58.
58. After point, you will never say 58. You should say 58, okay? Because it is a decimal number. So you cannot say 58. You should say 0.58. Okay? Now if suppose but the number is 3 digit and here also it is 3 digit. Now what is the answer? Now what is the answer? Why? Just put a point. This is 3 digit. So write 1, 2, 5 and there are 2 zeros. The point will come 1, 2. So where is the point? Here. So what is your answer? 1.25. Here already it is 3 digit and 3 digit. So no need of adding 0. Just put a point.
What if it is 449 upon 1000?
How much?
449 upon 1000.
449 upon 1000.
1000.
Same. 1000. How many digit on the top
3.
and how many below?
4.
So you have to make this also 4. How will you make this 4? How will you make this 4 digit? We'll add a 0, na?
Yes, teacher.
So write 0 and then write 449. Now it is become 4 digit. Now where will the point? How many zeros are there? How many zeros?
3. So we have to put in front of between
1.
0 and 4.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So if it is 2 upon 1000. Now what? This is 1 digit and this is 4 digit. So you have to make this also 4 digit and then you have to add 3 zeros. Then only it will become 4 numbers. And then where will be the point? 1, 2 and 3. So where is the point? Here. Okay. If it is 2 digit and here it is 1000. Same, this is 2 but this is 4. So make this also 4. How you will make this 4? 0, 0, 1, 7. Now this is 4 digit. Now where will be the point? There are 3 zeros. 1, 2 and 3. So where your point will come? Here. Understood? So this is 0.002. This is 0.017.
Okay,
Understood? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so write it down. First you write the previous one, but sorry.
I have to write in my notebook.
Did you understand but?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So first you write the 100 wala. Okay, then I will write it again. You write fatafat, you copy it down. Okay, now you write it down the answers. This is 0.03, 0.02, 0.08. This will be 0.25, 0.48 and 0.96. This will be, you will not add a 0 here. So it will be 1.31, 1.49. Correct?
Yes, teacher.
So write for 100 and then I will make you to write 1000. Or in the next class we will do. First write this 100 wala.
Okay, teacher.
Have you copied?
No, teacher. teacher.
Over.
Yes, teacher, I wrote.
Okay. So now we'll write for 1000. So write for 1000. 4 upon 1000 will become 0.004. 5 upon 1000 will be 0.005. Correct? 15 upon 1000 will be 0, 1, 5, and then point will be here. 26 upon 1000, 0.026. But if it is 3-digit number, then you will add only 1 0 and the point will be here.
Okay, teacher. I have to write this.
Understood? Ha, write it fast.
Okay, teacher.
But you understood how?
Yes, teacher.
Very good.
Um, 15 upon 1000 equals to 0.015. 26 upon 1000, 137 upon 1000 equals to 182 1000 equals to 0.182. 0.137.
Over.
No, teacher. I'm just writing. Zero. Wrote, teacher. Everything.
This is over, bacha.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So whatever you can do in homework, that 100 wala you do. Otherwise, next class will revise it again. Okay. Today we had a network issue, na? I have another class now, so I have to wind up. Correct? But in homework, if you can do from textbook, please do it.
Okay, teacher. I'll do it.
Very
It's
good.
okay.
You understood, na?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, chalo. So then for bye for this class. We'll meet next class.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Now let's do background. So background effect.